Hello, class, and welcome back to another exciting day of biology. So, I am out of town right now, so I will not be on Google Meets to answer questions. However, I am posting this video to hopefully help with that, and I will be available via email to answer your questions. So, I'm going to scroll on down to Friday. Yesterday we had discussed graphs and data tables and how to create well-written graphs and data tables. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be doing an activity called Gobs of Graphs. Normally, this would be an activity where I have pictures of the graphs and we rotate around the room. But for our purposes, this is what we're going to have to do. So to get to the graphs, you're going to click on the link to graphs icon, and you're going to end up here. Now, I know that this says work on graphs 15 through 7, so it's backwards. Reason being is on the Google Doc that I have developed, they are backwards here as well. And to have to reformat this was going to be a lot more difficult than just starting at number 15. So when this says graph 15, voila, the number 15 is up here at the top, and it's going to line up with graph 15 on your sheet. So you're just going to click back and forth and answer the questions that have to do with each graph. You only have to work up to number 7, okay? So with that being said, after number 7, we're going to do 6 through 1 in the packet the following week. But all you need to do right now is graphs 15 through 7, answering the questions, interpreting them the best you can, and I will be available to answer any questions that you may have in regards to that. And that is all that you need to do today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. But other than that, have a wonderful day and good luck.